Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this rice stream. This is the blends and it's quinoa. I saw this was on sale, so that's why I picked it up. Lactose, dairy free, gluten free of course. And here's the, nope, not wrong side. Here's the nutrient panel if you guys want to read that. Pause the video. Okay. And it's got 1 gram of sugar, which is really little. And here are the ingredients. You got white rice, brown rice, quinoa. And it's fortified with vitamins. And yeah, let's try this out. I usually buy the ones in the refrigerated section, but like I said, this was on sale, so. There we go. So it's pretty watery. And let's do a quick taste test. Yeah, it tastes like rice milk, but without any sweetness whatsoever. Kind of like water. You don't get a hint of any of the quinoa or anything like that. But check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below or subscribe to the channel.